Used wet and dry pedicure tools. Pedicure tools structure can resist water so that you may use the pedicure tools even in the bathroom and foot spa. You may file the calluses while you are in the shower. The pedicure tools will not be harsh on the skin. You can wash pedicure kit quickly with water. The water resistance of the pedicure tool makes it highly durable as well. Rechargeable Pedicure Tools. LED lighting pedicure tools with a charging cable. You will not need to worry about running out of batteries as this unit comes. You may utilize the product after 2 hours of charging at a minimum. Pedicure Tools is equipped with an LED lighting so that you will see yours foot on day or night. 3 pedicure rollers. Pedicure rollers has embedded quartz crystals for gentle scraping. Pedicure Tools comes with 3 removable roller heads, which ascertains that it will be effortless to swap the old with the new. You may interchange the pedicure rollers depending on the roughness required to remove the calluses on the feet. Easy to carry and use. The pedicure tools with diamond crystals as you want to slip in your bag for quick use outside the house. It offers an excellent grip as well. Its unique design that prevents the unit from sliding out of your hands. Foot Spa Pedicure Tools. Pedicure tools include electric callus remover, replaceable grinding heads X3, stainless steel foot file, coarse, stainless steel foot file, fine, long sandpaper file, foot file, cuticle fork, foot brush for pedicure, clean brush, scraping knife, blade X3, two-sided feet file, USB cable, user manual. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for relaxing at home. Great value for the money. I love all the add-ons, even use the tiny brush for exfoliating, cleaning my feet in the shower. Product worked as described. 4 stars only because the add-ons are cheap quality.